Say we would like to multiply 352 24 times, which can also be written as 352 times 24. So we're going to do the grid method here. If you use the grid method, we would have to draw a rectangle with sides that have a length of 352, or 300 plus 50 plus 2, and a height of 24, or 20 plus 4. Next, we create regions within the rectangle and proceed to getting the area of each smaller rectangle. So this is 300 times 20, which is equal to 6,000. 50 times 20, which is equal to 1,000, 2 times 20, which is equal to 40, 300 times 4, which is equal to 1,200, 50 times 4, which is equal to 200, and 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. And then finally, after all that, we add all the areas and then we get our answer. That's 6,000 plus 1,000 plus 40 plus 1,200 plus 200 plus 8. Using the standard algorithm to add all of these, we have 8 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. So using the grid method, we know that the answer to 352 times 24 is equal to 8,448. Now, you will notice that what we're actually doing here is we are getting the sum of the result of the multiplication of each place of the numbers. So what we're doing is we're multiplying each place of a number to each place of another number. To see this more clearly, let's write our numbers in line. So 352 is actually like 300 plus 50 plus 2. These numbers here in parenthesis is 352 multiplied by 24, which is 20 plus 4, and we put a parenthesis because this represents this number. So notice that we are multiplying each of the place of one number to each of the place of another number. So we have 2 times 4, which is this one, 50 times 4, which is this one, and then 300 times 4, which is this one, and then we also have 2 times 20, which is this one, 50 times 20, which is this one, and then 300 times 20, which is this one. And this is exactly what we do when we use the standard algorithm when multiplying numbers. We can also see this much better. If we write the two numbers in a column with the ones place of both numbers aligned, we can perform multiplication by each place. So if we write 352 times 24 and we convert these numbers into their expanded form, so we can have 300 plus 50 plus 2 multiplied by 20 plus 4, and then we'll put a line here. So we can do the same thing. We can distribute and multiply each of the places of the first number to each of the places of the second number. And then we write the answers below this line, and then we can add the results of the multiplication steps. So what we do now is let's multiply each place of the first number to each place of the second number. So let's do the ones place first. So 2 times 4 is 8, which is this region in our grid method. Let's put a plus here. 50 times 4, which is this one, is 200. And then we have 300 times 4, which is this one. That's 1,200. So since we are adding the areas, we put plus signs here, since we are adding all the areas in this region. And then let's do the tens place. Let's do 2 times 20, which is this region. And we know the answer is 40. Next, we do 50 times 20, which is this region. And we know the answer is 1,000. And then we put a plus sign as well. And then we do 300 times 20, which is this region. And we know that the answer is 6,000. So adding all these numbers together, we have 6,000, this one, plus 1,000, this one. We have 40, this one. We have 8, this one. 200 and 1,200, this is 1,200 and 200. So we did the addition already, so no need to recompute. And based on the addition we did a while ago, we know that the answer is 8,448. It's 8,448, which again is the answer to our question 352 times 24. Was this lesson helpful? Go share it now to your family and friends by tapping or clicking the share button. Here are videos and playlists you could watch also. Keep on learning!